Welcome back to Odum Business Consult. Today we are going to learn how to install WordPress locally on our device. Okay, and before I do that, let me give you a little intro about what we are going to do, or the meaning of WordPress. WordPress is just a software that web developers use to design websites. Okay, so if you want to learn how to design a website without using code like CSS and other programming language, you can just use WordPress to design any website that you want. Okay, so now today we are going to learn how to install it locally, because WordPress is a software that runs on a server. Okay, and it also works with a database. Without database and a server, there is no way you can run WordPress, or you can use WordPress. And for you to get a server, it means you have to buy a hosting account, and as a beginner you might not have maybe the resources to buy a hosting account that will enable you to install WordPress. So developers, in their own view or in their own understanding, they've developed a certain software that we can install it on our computer, and from there we can run a WordPress successfully on our local device. So what we have to do now, or what we are going to do now, is to install that particular software, and that software is known as XAMPP. Okay, it is known as XAMPP. So let's see how we can install XAMPP. Open your web browser. Okay, so open it. Then in the search address, or in the search bar, just type XAMPP download. Okay, so XAMPP download. Okay, so then press enter. So from the search result, okay, the first link in the search result, just click on that. It will take you to the home page of XAMPP. Then you download the latest version for your PC. The type of PC that you are using, you just download it for it. So I think the latest version is this one, 8.2.12, and the size is 149 megabytes. So just click on download and it will start downloading for you. So let's see, let's wait, depending on how fast your computer network is. It will start downloading. Let's wait, let's see. Okay, so it has started downloading for me. Because I've already downloaded and installed, I'll just cancel it. But for you, because you don't have it, you have to follow I have to allow it to download it. After downloading it, you have to install it on your PC. Okay, it's just like normal application that we install. Okay, just follow the procedure, or follow the instruction in the downloading section. After downloading, you just install it on your PC. If you install it successfully, just pin it to your taskbar, because for me, I've already done that. You can see it over here. Okay, so if I click on that, after installing and pinning it to your taskbar, if you open it, you're going to see XAMPP control panel. You're going to see something like this. Okay, you're going to see something like this. So now that you've done that, what you need also is WordPress itself. So just go to your browser once again. Just type WordPress download. Okay, so just type WordPress download. Press enter. So from the first link in the search result, just click on that, then it will take you to the home page of WordPress. So from here, just click on download WordPress. Okay, so and that one too also starts downloading for you. And as I said, I've already done the downloading, so I'll cancel it for you. You have to wait for it to download it for you. Okay, so I'll cancel it, and I presume you are following this step to 1. Install the XAMPP on your PC and also download the WordPress. Without XAMPP, there is no way we can run the WordPress. So follow the video and download it and install on your PC. If you download it, pin it to your taskbar as I've done it over here, then you download the WordPress too. Okay, so let's open and see the XAMPP control panel. After doing the installation successfully and open it, you see the control panel like this. When you come here, what you have to do is to start these two applications. Okay, so the Apache and then MySQL. Just start the Apache first. Click on start. If you see this green around the Apache, it means it has started running. Then you start the MySQL also. If you see this green color around it, it means that one too is also running smoothly. These are the only two things that we need from here. Okay, so you start the two. If you see this numbers reading, the ports and other stuff reading, it means these two application is or are running successfully in XAMPP control panel. So this is how we can install and start XAMPP on our PC locally. Follow the video carefully and do it as I've said it in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. If you find anything difficult, just leave them in the comment section and I'll return to you. Thank you very much. In our next video, we are going to learn how to install the WordPress successfully on our PC by creating a database from our XAMPP control panel, and we link the WordPress that we've downloaded with that of the database from the XAMPP control panel. Thank you very much. See you soon.